We would like to review finding the measures of center. Measures of center is a fancy term for finding the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So let's go over how to do those four things. The mean is another word for average. And if you've ever had to find the average of something, you simply add all the numbers up and divide by how many numbers there are. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. If we were to add all these numbers up, we would get 126. And then if I did 126 divided by 6, because there are in fact 6 numbers, then the mean or average would be 21. So once again, to find the mean, add all the numbers in your data set together and divide by how many numbers there are. Now the median is a little bit different. To find the median, we've got to take these numbers and put them in order from least to greatest. So one of the keys to getting this done successfully is to identify the lowest number and then cross it off and place it where it needs to be. And then go back and do the same thing. Find the next lowest number, cross it off, add it to your list, and then so on and so forth until you get through all your numbers. The reason why it's good to cross off numbers is to make sure that you remind yourself that you've already used that number. If a number occurs twice, you do need to put it in twice. So now we have our numbers listed in order from least to greatest, and now we have to find the middle number, okay? So the median, another way to remember median is just to think of middle, okay? So one of the easiest ways to do that is to cross off from either end until you get to the middle. Now here we're in an interesting situation because if we keep crossing off, there is nothing in the middle. So our median is right here. So how do we locate that median? Well, what you have to do is you have to find what's in between 16 and 26. And the easiest way to do that is to take 16 and add it to 26, and that would get 42. And then if you take 42 and divide by 2, your answer is 21. So the median in this situation is 21. So our mean was 21. Our median is 21, okay? Now we're going to find the mode. Now the mode is fairly simple. When you think of mode, just think of the word most. What's the number that occurs the most? And it's pretty obvious that we have 32 2 times, where everything else is only once. So our mode is 32. And then the range is another fairly simple one. Once we put all the numbers in order, we take the maximum number, which is 32, and subtract the minimum. So we're going to take 32 and subtract 5, and we're going to get 27. So our range is 27. So that is how we can do the measures of center, which is mean, median, mode, and range. Hopefully now you'll be able to do that on your own. Good luck.